All right, real talk. I bet you're wondering, where do I deposit cash? Well, good news. Adding cash to your Chime account has never been easier, like hitting up Walgreens kind of easy. Hey, I'm Edgar and I've been a Chime member since 2020. Today we're talking about cash deposits. Let's break it down starting with Walgreens. You can deposit cash into your Chime account fee-free using any of the thousands of Walgreens stores. To do that, just open the Chime app, tap Move, select Deposit Cash, tap See Locations to see the fee-free Walgreens locations near you. You can deposit cash at up to 100,000 retail locations that team up with Chime. And it's not that much different from just adding cash at Walgreens. Just follow the same steps in the app. Just a heads up, other retail locations may charge a fee. If you want to skip fees altogether, your best bet is depositing cash at Walgreens. Need to do a late night deposit? No worries, add cash at Walgreens or other retailers anytime they're open. Most deposits hit your Chime account within minutes, while some may take up to 2 hours. Not bad, right? And there you have it. Welcome to your era of easy cash deposits with your Chime checking account. For more Chime tips and tricks, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Chime. Thanks for watching.